Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech and Gadget Reviews. Today we're diving into the top 13 best robot vacuum cleaner options to make your cleaning routine smarter and easier than ever. Whether you want powerful suction, smart navigation, or hands-free convenience, I've got you covered with some amazing picks. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's jump right in. Smart 3-in-1 Robot Vacuum. This smart 3-in-1 robot vacuum is a game changer for anyone who wants effortless cleaning. I love how it combines sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping in one compact device, saving both time and effort. The smart navigation system helps it glide smoothly around furniture while avoiding obstacles with ease. Its powerful suction ensures dirt, dust, and pet hair are picked up effectively from both carpets and hard floors. What really stands out to me is its quiet operation, making it perfect for daily use without disturbing your routine. Plus, the app control feature lets you schedule cleanings anytime, anywhere. If you're looking for a versatile and affordable all-in-one solution, this robot vacuum is definitely worth considering. The Mova S10 Robot Vacuum. The Mova S10 Robot Vacuum stands out with its powerful suction and advanced navigation system that maps your home efficiently. I found its LiDAR technology especially useful for creating accurate cleaning paths, avoiding random movements. It handles pet hair, dust, and debris with ease, making it ideal for busy households. The smart app integration allows you to customize cleaning zones and set schedules effortlessly. Its sleek design complements modern interiors while still delivering high performance. Battery life is reliable, and the automatic recharge feature ensures it's always ready for the next job. If you want a balance of smart features and strong cleaning performance, this vacuum is definitely worth considering for maintaining a spotless home every day. ILIFE V2 Slim Robot Vacuum. The ILIFE V2 Slim Robot Vacuum is perfect for those who need a compact yet efficient cleaner. Its slim design allows it to easily slide under beds, sofas, and tight spaces where dust often hides. I really like how simple and user-friendly it is, making it ideal for beginners. Despite its size, it delivers consistent suction power to pick up everyday dirt and debris. The multiple cleaning modes give you flexibility depending on your needs. It's also surprisingly quiet, which makes it great for use during work or relaxation time. If you want a straightforward, budget-friendly robot vacuum that gets the job done without unnecessary extras, this is a reliable and practical option to consider. Q20 Ultra LiDAR Robot Vacuum. The Q20 Ultra LiDAR Robot Vacuum stands out with its advanced LiDAR navigation technology. I was impressed by how accurately it maps rooms and plans efficient cleaning routes. This means no random movements and better overall coverage. Its powerful suction handles everything from fine dust to larger debris with ease. The smart app integration allows you to set no-go zones, schedule cleanings, and customize settings. It's perfect for busy households where automation is key. The large dust bin and long battery life add to its convenience, reducing the need for frequent maintenance. If you're looking for precision, intelligence, and high performance, this robot vacuum delivers a premium cleaning experience every single time. Slim Smart Robot Vacuum. This Slim Smart Robot Vacuum is all about simplicity and efficiency. I really appreciate its ultra-thin profile, which allows it to clean areas that are usually hard to reach. It's designed for everyday maintenance, keeping your floors dust-free with minimal effort. The smart sensors help prevent collisions and falls, making it safe to use around furniture and stairs. Its decent suction power works well for light debris and pet hair. The quiet operation is another plus, especially if you prefer a peaceful environment. It's not overloaded with features, but that's exactly what makes it easy to use. If you want a no-fuss cleaning companion, this slim robot vacuum is a smart pick. Tikom L8000 Plus Robot Vacuum. The Tikom L8000 Plus Robot Vacuum offers impressive suction power, combined with smart navigation technology. I found its mapping system highly efficient, allowing it to clean systematically rather than randomly. It works well on both carpets and hard floors, picking up dust, pet hair, and debris with ease. The app control feature lets you customize cleaning schedules and define no-go zones. It also supports voice commands, adding extra convenience. The mopping function is a great bonus for maintaining spotless floors. Its battery life is strong enough for larger homes, and it automatically returns to recharge when needed. Overall, this is a versatile and powerful cleaning solution for anyone looking to upgrade their home maintenance routine. UR1 5000 PA Robot Vacuum. The UR1 5000 PA Robot Vacuum is all about power. With its impressive suction strength, it easily tackles stubborn dirt, pet hair, and debris. I was surprised by how effectively it cleans carpets, lifting embedded particles with ease. Its smart navigation ensures efficient cleaning paths without wasting time or battery. The sleek design allows it to reach tight spaces, making sure no area is left untouched. I also like the app connectivity, which lets you control and schedule cleanings conveniently. Despite its strong performance, it operates quietly, which is a huge bonus. If you need a robot vacuum that focuses on deep cleaning and powerful suction, this model is definitely worth checking out. Smart Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This smart robot vacuum cleaner is designed for convenience and everyday efficiency. I really like how easy it is to set up and start using right away. Its intelligent sensors help it navigate around obstacles smoothly while avoiding falls. The suction power is strong enough for daily cleaning tasks, including dust, crumbs, and pet hair. It works well on different floor types, making it versatile for most homes. The scheduling feature is a big plus, allowing automated cleaning without any effort. Its compact design helps it clean under furniture easily. If you're looking for a dependable and user-friendly robot vacuum that keeps your home tidy with minimal input, this one fits perfectly. 5200 POW Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The 5200 POW Robot Vacuum Cleaner offers impressive suction power combined with smart features. I noticed how effectively it picks up debris from both carpets and hard floors, making it suitable for various surfaces. Its advanced navigation system ensures systematic cleaning rather than random movement. The battery life is strong enough to cover large areas without frequent recharging. I also like the option to control it through an app, making cleaning schedules easy to manage. The design is modern and compact, allowing access to tight spaces. If you want a powerful and efficient robot vacuum that handles heavy-duty cleaning tasks while still being easy to use, this is a great option to consider. Smart 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum. The Smart 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum combines vacuuming and mopping in a practical and efficient design. I appreciate how it simplifies cleaning by handling two tasks at once. Its navigation system works well to avoid obstacles and cover areas evenly. The suction power is reliable for everyday dirt and dust, while the mopping feature adds an extra level of cleanliness. It's easy to control with remote or app options, making it very user-friendly. The slim design helps it reach under furniture without trouble. If you're looking for a multifunctional robot vacuum that balances performance and convenience, this model offers a great combination of features without being overly complicated or expensive. Is 6000 PA LiDAR Robot Vacuum. The 6000 PA LiDAR Robot Vacuum offers exceptional suction power combined with advanced mapping technology. I really like how accurately it maps rooms, allowing precise and efficient cleaning paths. It easily handles heavy debris, pet hair, and dust across different floor types. The LiDAR system ensures smooth navigation, avoiding obstacles effectively. You can control everything through the app, including schedules and cleaning zones. The battery life is excellent, making it suitable for larger homes. It also automatically recharges and resumes cleaning when needed. If you're looking for a high-performance robot vacuum with smart features and powerful cleaning ability, this model is a top-tier choice for maintaining a spotless home effortlessly. The eufy 11S Max Robot Vacuum. The eufy 11S Max Robot Vacuum is known for its quiet operation and reliable performance. I love how slim it is, allowing it to clean under furniture with ease. It offers strong suction for everyday cleaning, handling dust, crumbs, and pet hair efficiently. The Boost IQ technology automatically increases suction when needed, which is a great feature. It's simple to use with a remote control, making it beginner-friendly. The anti-scratch tempered glass top adds durability and a premium look. Battery life is solid, ensuring consistent cleaning sessions. Overall, this vacuum is perfect for those who want a dependable, quiet, and easy-to-use cleaning solution without dealing with complex smart features. That wraps up my picks for the top 13 best robot vacuum cleaner options you should definitely check out. Whether you're looking for powerful suction, smart mapping, or budget-friendly choices, there's something here for everyone. I hope this guide helps you find the perfect cleaning companion for your home. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and details. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Tech and Gadget Reviews for more awesome tech content coming your way soon.